Now, Mothers has designed a system to deal with black and dark colored cars. Black reflects more light back than any other color, so you're going to see all the spider webbing and the little nicks and scratches. To address that, we've come up with the ultimate wax system. First step, pre-wax cleaner. This is a polish. It polishes out minor defects and prepares the car for further waxing. When you're done using this product, the surface is literally squeaky clean. Sealer and glaze. Now this is the magic. This product polishes further, and it seals and it hides defects so that you can't see them. It fools the eye by filling and hiding those defects. And it gives a car that deep, wet look. Then for a coat of protection and added beauty, pure carnauba wax. Now these three steps together are what's going to give your black car its best potential. And when you're up on the block, you need everything to look its best. Black, a tough color, made easy with three simple steps.